Hi there everyone, this is Tita Let here again in California, and today I'm going to be presenting to you one of my favorite recipe and one of my favorite products from ATOMY, which is our ATOMY organic olive oil grilled laver. Okay, this is so delicious. So if you happen to have instant visitors and you don't know what to serve for them, this is the best uh, recipe to do because it's quick and easy. So right now I have here our famous pancit or rice noodles. So you just boil this or cook this according to the package. And I have here carrots. I actually use the peeler to do this thin carrots, and you can also blanch it if you don't like the taste of a fresh carrot, but I like it fresh. So I have here red lettuce, and this you can also use a romaine lettuce or any greens that you like, but I love this red lettuce. And we have here the cilantro, of course, that's fresh. I have here the bean sprouts, and you also have to blanch this. Okay, I have here the mango. This is the it's a Mexican mango, it's not a Filipino mango that is so crunchy, and this is almost ripe and sweet. Okay, it's not the green ones. So, and of course the avocado, you don't forget this avocado because the avocado will make the taste really good. And this one is cucumber. So whatever I find in my fridge, so I just slice it like that. I have here the lemon because you can also squeeze the lemon to your noodles to your liking. Now I'll be using my leftover uh, tuna tuna for my tuna sandwich yesterday, so I better use it in some. But if you're a vegetarian, of course, you can just use the plain vegetables and our ATOMY organic laver. Okay, so in this laver we have 6 sheets of this inside, and in a 6 sheet, and in one pack you have 6 of this pack, so you'll be getting 36 pieces of this organic olive oil grilled laver. Okay, so did I tell you about my sauce? Actually, this is optional. Some people don't like to have a sauce, but if you can find this from Trader Joe's, this is my favorite, toasted sesame dressing. Okay, this sesame dressing is a combination of peanut sauce, peanut and sesame, and I think it has apple cider vinegar, and it's a little sweet. And try to find this, but if you can find this, you can make your own with peanut butter or almond butter, and put a little apple cider vinegar or lemon and brown sugar, pepper, and the sesame oil and the sesame seed on there. You can see that. Okay, so to begin this, we need to open. Let me try to do it this way. Okay, so like you can see more of what I'm gonna do. I forgot to open the pack, so let me open this first. Okay. This is very oily, but you don't have to worry because what you're getting is olive oil, and that's even fantastic. Okay, So this is how it looks. The size is like a writing paper, a writing pad size. It's large enough to cover our... Okay, now we're gonna do this one by one. You may either... I need to start it with the lettuce. Put it on this 1/3 side. If you love lettuce, then you can place more, especially if you want to be sexy. Okay. Now, oops, we will put our noodles. Some people like the noodles a lot there. Now let me try to put this there. Now let's have the bean sprouts, and then the mango, avocado. Slice it thinly. Three is enough in one roll, and then the cucumber. If it's gonna fall, just put it on the side over there, right? And lastly, the cilantro. This is so amazing with the cilantro. Don't forget your cilantro, guys. It's really good. Okay, I love more cilantro. Actually, I have more there. So that's it. Then we will try to roll it now. Hold it well and press. Hold, roll and press. Roll and press. Oops. Not too much because it's actually breaking. So let it sit like that for a while. I forgot to see how oily. Okay, so when you have that, if you have like many visitors, and you can also slice it into two. Okay, let us see if we will slice it. You can slice it into 4 if you have a lot of visitors. Okay, right now let's slice this into there, and let's see how it looks like. There you go. That's how it looks like. Okay, so I think so this is for the vegetarian. And another one is for people who want the salmon, of course. Let's try this for someone else there. Okay, we're gonna try this. So again, we're gonna have that, and then the noodles, the mango, I have to place this in the middle. You may also use shrimp or crab, depending on your liking. And the carrots. I'm using my fingers now to make it quicker. Did I hold the cucumber? If you want it with little lemon, it's okay. We're gonna roll it again, then back. Okay, roll and press a little bit. There you go. That is our other roll with the salmon. Okay, I hope guys you will try this, and if you want to order, just go to our website to join us to become a member, because you can be getting a big discount. This sheet, this 36 sheets only cost I think $9 for retail and $7.90 for the member, and at least you can save a lot. If you go to other groceries, it costs you only 10 sheets for $9. With ATOMY, it's 36 sheets. Can you imagine that? Again, you can do a lot of things here. You can also use this for soup. You can also use this for tofu roll and fry it, or sweet and sour roll with tofu, and a lot. Okay, I hope you like this video, and join us. Just go to atomyglobalpro.com and become a member of ATOMY Global. So thank you so much. The link is below. If you want to message me, I'll put the link on the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Again, this is Tita Let. I'm here in California, and I hope that you join us. Okay, God bless you all. Bye bye.